There are still a lot of people out there who really don't know what crypto is. Let's fix that. Elex Mashinsky is an entrepreneur who has founded several notable technology firms in the U.S., including the Celsius Network. We'll talk in a bit about what Celsius does exactly. But Elex, welcome to the show. Great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so let's start with crypto for dummies. What is cryptocurrency in the most basic sort of explanation of it?
Well, it's a different form of money. It's effectively a different set of rails. So it kind of a different universe in which you can basically transact with other people all over the world without needing a bank or a financial institution in the middle, right? So the blockchain, one blockchain is called Bitcoin, another blockchain is called Ethereum, many different ones, over 200 of them. And they're all here to help you to basically act in your best interest, to allow you to hopefully get to financial freedom and bypass all the banks and all the other people who just charge you fees.
Why is this, I'm assuming you think that this is better than the US dollar, the regular old cash out there?
Yeah, because there's some people that say this is speculative and dangerous, and it's better to just trust sort of what we know.
Well, I don't really think it competes with the dollar. The dollar is a phenomenal form of payment. Crypto is a phenomenal store of value, right? So if you kept crypto for the last 10 years, the value of your savings would go up by 10 million%, right? So you couldn't get that with your dollars. You could barely get a fraction of 1% from your bank. So they both serve very different purposes. One is effectively like your savings account. The crypto is more for savings, and you can take loans against it and earn yield, earn interest. And the other one is really for day-to-day payments. Bitcoin is not really a good form of payment.
Wait, so you just said that it went up 10 million% in 10 years?
Yes.
That's quite...
It outperformed every stock and every commodity and everything else by an order of magnitude.
That's wild. And then you're the guy behind Celsius. So what is Celsius exactly?
So like you, many people are struggling with figuring out what this is all about and how it works. And Celsius created a very simple app that kind of similar to use to your bank app or to your messenger app, and you can use it to basically onboard or come and start experimenting or exploring this whole world of cryptocurrencies, right? So just download the app, and if you have a referral code, you can we'll give you $50 to just try it out, then you start earning yield. You can basically get paid every Monday. You get earned interest into your wallet, right? You don't have to do anything. And if you need a loan, you can also take a loan right in the app and use those dollars to pay off expensive credit cards or pay off your car loan or your student loans.
Wow, Elex, I'm counting on you. We'll see what happens when I download this app. I'll check back with you. Okay, so this is pretty remarkable. From the actual Ukraine country Twitter account, the official Twitter account, it put out this tweet literally saying that we want your donations and we accept cryptocurrency. So how significant is this for your industry?
Yeah, so we were one of the early people to help the country of Ukraine to raise these funds. And basically, the banking system, both in Russia and the Ukraine right now, is under basically siege. You can't really withdraw money from banks. There's no money in ATMs. But cryptocurrencies are not blocked or not suspended, even though the banking system may be closed or is not functioning properly. So this alternative method is used both for transferring payments or getting money to local people in the Ukraine, as well as helping the government with humanitarian and other needs. So it's definitely, again, I was born in the Ukraine, and so the minute I saw that we could help them, we started putting together everything we could. We also gave $25 to every Ukrainian customer we have, just put it in their account, try to help them at least survive through this madness.
Wow. I mean, it is amazing how technology is changing all of this. Obviously, people can learn more about this on your app. It is a bit of a confusing concept, but once you get it, you're really excited about it. Just ask the crypto guys. All right, thank you so much. Alex, we appreciate
it's definitely,
it.
Yeah, I'm saying it's definitely a different way to get to financial freedom. I think a lot of young people are struggling with, they can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is a different way to get there.
All right, and thank you for the work you're doing for Ukraine as well. It's really important. Thanks for being here, Alex.
Thanks for having me.